But just as I was about to leave and delete my name from the interpolation list, I got a call from our governor, Governor Anging Quibranza de Maporo of the province of Lanao del Norte, that she is unhappy with somebody in the Department of Agriculture. I would like to ask the Secretary first, how does she believe that it is important for the DA to have a good working relationship with the local chief executives, governors, because of their mandate being devolved to the local government units? I would like to kindly ask the Secretary, because Governor Anging Quibranza de Maporo is not only my governor, but the RDC chairperson of Northern Mindanao. She speaks for all governors in Northern Mindanao, and she has a complaint against Yusek Navarro. So I'd like to get, Mr. Chair, after this meeting, a commitment from the Secretary and a commitment from the good Undersecretary. Please reach out to our Governor and RDC Chair. Because what we want is LGU and DA have a good working relationship. Kung may problema ang Governor namin sa Lanao del Norte, may problema rin kayo, Yusek, with the Congressman of the 1st and 2nd District of Lanao del Norte. So can I get that commitment that he will reach out to our RDC Chair and our Provincial Governor?
Mr. Chair, I guarantee that we will fix this as soon as possible.